Well, everybody, you have your brand new Raptor and you're very excited with the party tricks it does, like the tailgate going down like that, which the Dodge did too. My other Dodge didn't want to close properly because you had to close it manually, but the Ford does this, which is also very cool. But when we open it up and you don't have your key in your hand, and you're just like, oh, okay, I'm gonna reach under and push the button. Well, you gotta reach way under there. It's kind of annoying. But I found this secret that probably most of you don't know. Lift up, let it fall, does it on its own. That is very cool. And I found that out by accident. So now you know.